All right. Welcome back, guys. It is race night. Orange Trek Outlaws having another Quarter Mile Kings Challenge. Here is our lineup, guys. I just went ahead and grabbed another random 36 cars out of the boatload of bins I got going on here that I need to get some races done. So this is what we got. We're gonna open these guys up and we're gonna let it rip. First we got Disney Jafar. We got the T-Bird. We got the Bone Shaker color changer. Dodge Charger 500. We got a Camaro. What's that? Arachnarod. We got the Lamborghini Urus. That's a pretty cool car. The old Mustang Hot Wheels Racing. Got a GTO. What's that? Ferrari. Nerve Hammer. Those are fast. We got a Volkswagen MK2. Sorry. We got the Mustang GT. Pretty cool looking car with the Golf decals. We got a Lexus. We got a Buick GSX. That is a sweet looking car. We got a Dodge Demon. We got a Dior 2 Electrac. Jeepster Commando. What's this? Faster than ever, I see. 70 Chevelle. Uh-oh, faster than ever. Look out. Honda Prelude. We got a Datsun 247Z. Those are usually fast. This car here's fast too, the Torpedo. We got the Mercedes AMG GT3. 16 Angels, those are quick. Look at this. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, look at there. Mystery car. Wonder what that one is. We got the Honda 2000. We got the old Total Disposal garbage truck. We got the Pagani Huayra. 2016 Camaro SS. We got the Salt Shaker. That's Zamac. Look out. Got the Roger Dodger 2.0. 68 Corvette Gas Monkey Edition in blue. There we go. We got a funny car coming. Ford Mustang. What's this guy? We got the Ferrari 512M. And last but not least, got the Acura NSX. Alright guys, we're going to bust these out. We're going to get them in the randomizer, get some races ready. Bet you guys want to know what's in that mystery car. Let's find out. Let's see if I can do this. In one hand, what do we got? Oh, look at there. We got the old Corvette. It's a cool car. Plastic base. Pretty cool details. See if we can get that in there. 65 Corvette. Sweet car. Alright. That's that one. I'm going to get the rest of these opened. Get them lined up. Let's race, guys. See you in a minute. Okay, guys. Race 1 is up and ready. In lane 1, we got the 2018 Mustang GT Golf Edition. Lane 2, we got the Mercedes AMG GT3. In lane 3, we got the Ferrari 365 GTB4. In lane 4, we got the Hot Wheels Nerve Hammer. Lane 5, we got the Ferrari 512M. In lane 6, we got the Baja Bone Shaker. Okay, who we picking here? Who we picking? I don't know. I think I'm going to go lane 4 on that red Nerve Hammer. Let's race. Okay, race 1. 3, 2, 1. Nerve Hammer's out. And he took it.
Winner, lane 4.
Nerve Hammer's out. And he took it.
Winner, lane 4.
Okay, race 2 is ready to go. Lane 1, we got the Dodge Charger 500. Lane 2, we got the Hot Wheels Racing 69 Mustang. Lane 3, we got the Pagani Huayra. Lane 4, we got the Acura NSX. Lane 5, we got the Hot Wheels Salt Shaker with the fast wheels. In lane 6, we got the Jafar car. Who do you got, guys? Who do we like? Couple cool cars here. I'm not sure who to go with here, but I think I'm going to go with that blue Mustang, lane 2. Let's race. Okay, race 2. 3, 2, 1. Oh, the Mustang's out. He's got it. Nice.
Winner, lane 2.
Oh, the Mustang's out. He's got it. Nice.
Winner, lane 2.
Okay, race 3, ready to go. Lane 1, 67 Pontiac GTO. Lane 2, we got the Hot Wheels garbage truck. Lane 3, we got the Volkswagen Golf. Lane 4, we got the Hot Wheels Electrac. Lane 5, we got the 1970 Buick GSX. And lane 6, we got the 67 Jeepster Commando. Who do we like here? Who do we like? I don't even know who to pick here. I think I'm going to go with lane 1 with that GTO. Let's race. Okay, race 3. 3, 2, 1. Oh, you got Volkswagen out there.
Winner, lane 3.
Oh, you got Volkswagen out there.
Winner, lane 3.
Okay, halfway there. Race 4, ready to roll. Lane 1, we got the 98 Honda Prelude. Lane 2, we got the Hot Wheels Arachnarod. Lane 3, 67 Camaro. Lane 4, 65 Corvette. Lane 5, the Hot Wheels Torpedo. In lane 6, the 1970 Chevelle SS convertible with the FTE wheels. Who do we like here? It's going to be hard to go against the Chevelle. Arachnarod can be fast, Torpedo's fast, the Camaro's all metal. I don't know. I think I'm going to go with lane 6, that Chevelle. Let's race. Okay, race 4. 3, 2, 1. Tight race, look at that.
Winner, lane 3.
Lane 3, that's the Camaro, wow. Tight race, look at that.
Winner, lane 3.
Lane 3, that's the Camaro, wow. Okay, race 5, up and ready. Lane 1, we got Roger Dodger 2.0. Lane 2, we got the Datsun 240Z. Lane 3, we got the T-Bird with Real Riders. Lane 4, we got the Lexus. Lane 5, 71 Dodge Demon. Lane 6, the 2017 Lamborghini Urus. What do we like here? I don't know. Roger Dodger maybe. I'm not going to pick that T-Bird with the Real Riders. I don't know how that one snuck in here. Normally don't do Real Riders. I think I'm going to go with lane 5 on the Dodge Demon. Let's race. Okay, race 5. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that Lambo's out. Oh, Roger Dodger, come back. Nope, lane 6.
Lane 6.
Oh, that Lambo's out. Oh, Roger Dodger, come back. Nope, lane 6.
Lane 6.
Okay, race 6 up and ready. Lane 1, 68 Gas Monkey Corvette. Lane 2, we got the Mustang Funny Car. Lane 3, 2016 Camaro SS. Lane 4, we got the Honda S2000. Lane 5, we got the Hot Wheels 16 Angels. In lane 6, we got the Hot Wheels Diora 2. Alright guys, who's it going to be? Corvette looks pretty cool. Mustang maybe. 16 Angels are fast. Maybe even that Camaro. I don't know. I'm going to go lane 2 with that funny car. Let's race. Okay, race 6. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at there. Corvette. Wow.
Winner, lane 1.
Oh, look at there. Corvette. Wow.
Winner, lane 1.
Okay, finals race in random order. We got lane 1, the 68 Corvette. Lane 2, got the Volkswagen Golf. Lane 3, Hot Wheels Nerve Hammer. Lane 4, 67 Camaro. Lane 5, Lamborghini Urus. And lane 6, we got the 69 Mustang Hot Wheels Racing Edition. Who we like? Who's it going to be? That last race, the Corvette, was pretty quick. These are all pretty quick. I think I'm going to go with lane 6. I'm going with that 69 Mustang Hot Wheels Racing Edition. That's what I like. Let's race. Okay, finals race. 3, 2, 1. Oh, good race.
Winner, lane 6.
Lane 6, Mustang, my pick. Nice. Oh, good race.
Winner, lane 6.
Lane 6, Mustang, my pick. Nice. Okay guys, here is tonight's champion, the 69 Mustang Hot Wheels Racing Team Edition. He is going to get his shot at our current number 2, which is the Ferrari F40, and our current number 1, which is the Lamborghini Estoque. So let's just see just how fast that Mustang is, see if it's got what it takes to get number 1 or 2 spot. Let's race. Okay, tonight's champ versus our number 1 and number 2. 3, 2, 1. Oh boy, it's getting late. Oh, we got a new winner.
Lane 2.
Lane 2. Oh boy, it's getting late. Oh, we got a new winner.
Lane 2.
Lane 2. Okay guys, here is tonight's winner. We got the 69 Mustang Hot Wheels Racing Edition. Pretty fast car here. Not enough to take the 1 or 2 spot, but we're going to race it up against our other top leaderboard and see where we can get this guy to shake out in our rankings here. But anyway, fun night of racing. Found a couple fast cars. And thanks to guys again for checking out Race Night. If you like what you saw, please hit that subscribe button and check out the other races. We got a lot of fun ones going on. Got a lot of cool customs going on. Got a lot of restorations going on. So check out all those and leave a comment below if you got anything for me. If you got any cars you want me to race, if you have any cars you want me to customize or even restore, shoot me a comment. I'll check it out. Other than that, guys, thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time.